Welcome to this brilliant remodel at 106 North 3rd Street in Maxton, North Carolina. We're minutes from I-74 to get to I-95 for Lumberton, Fayetteville, Fort Bragg, and the beach. This is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21, the Realty Group. And for more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.com. That's the number 4. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching, and feel free to change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition. 2-car carport on the right, attractive brick veneer and fresh landscaping. This remodel includes brand new roof with architectural shingles, brand new vapor barrier. Here's the front porch. Some outstanding curb appeal here. And let's go inside. Much of what you'll be seeing is brand new. This is the living room. Fresh paint, brand new flooring, brand new fixtures throughout. Fans and blinds. Beautiful LVP flooring. This really catches your eye. We have a window to the kitchen, but first, the fireplace with a brick surround. It's very pretty. Big mantle. And looking back at the way we came in, coat closet there. And back to the kitchen. All brand new kitchen. Dining area there. And let's go around the corner for a better look. L-shaped kitchen. This is wonderful. Stainless steel appliances. Granite counters. Subway tile backsplash. Crown molding. Pantry there to the left. And a closer look. This kitchen is really eye-pleasing. And looking back through the window to the living room. This is an enclosed garage here. So you have some extra space here, heated and cooled. Laundry closet here. And some built-ins there. Powder room. And a bonus room here, overlooking the backyard. Some good privacy and shade out here. Storage shed there. Guest suite here. Closet. And its own full bathroom. New vanities in the bathrooms. And to the right down the hallway, again a coat closet there, linen closet here, second bedroom. And a spacious owner suite here. And it extends around the corner for more room. Plenty of potential here. Closet space. And the bathroom. Separate shower. And garden tub. Thanks for watching the tour. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 to come see this in person, or any home in person. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.